how quickly a year goes by. Man, we moved in July of 2020 and we are currently in November 2021. And man, it just blows by. Anyway, upon buying this house, the first walkthrough, I knew that this house was ours, right? It had everything that we needed, an extra room, everybody has their own space, basically things that I never grew up with, right? And it had everything, a nice backyard, but it was also a perfect shell for us to make it basically our own, right? It had its own little charm, that didn't age well. So it was a perfect project for us. And once we bought it, we just made it an agenda to make some renovations. When we started the renovations, we renovated the kitchen, we renovated all three bathrooms, the master bathrooms, the one guest bathroom, and the upstairs bathroom for the kids. And we also made it a priority to get rid of the ugly, disgusting carpet that we have throughout the house. So we wanted some wood floors, some vinyl, some tile, just going back in between. We found the perfect people to get the job done. We are acting as our own contractors, hiring people to do specific tasks. The first task is painting the inside and the outside of the house. So I got all the paint from Home Depot. We have the painters that's going to come for a final walkthrough on Friday. And then they're going to start painting on Saturday. Good thing is, wifey and I and the kids, we are headed to Joshua Tree to hang out with some friends for a good 4 days next week. So we'll be out of the house for the majority of that job. We might have to spend one night outside of the house. So yeah, we might have to spend one more night when we get back, because we get back on Wednesday, and I don't think that they're done until Thursday, especially fumigating the whole place and whatnot, making sure that the odor is out before we check back in to our own home, right? So yeah, we got all that lined up. We ordered the floors and we're waiting for the shipment to get into the warehouse so that those contractors could come in and start working on the floors. We have a road trip planned in December, so we're pretty much gone all of December. We're hoping that the materials get here in time so that the job is basically done, and then when we get back, we're just moving into a brand new home, right? So I took some before shots of the exterior and the interior so that I have that memory of what the house used to look like. And when we move back in, hopefully in the new year, we're coming into a brand new home and it's ours. When we get back from Joshua Tree, we have a pool guy coming to scope out our backyard. We're looking to get a pool. So much is happening. Since moving into this house, it has nearly doubled in value. I know, the Arizona market is crazy. Since we moved into this house, it almost doubled. Probably by next year, it will have doubled. So everything that we're putting in is basically an investment that, we're looking to stay here for a while, but it's calculated. We ran the numbers and it makes sense, right? So by us adding even more into the house, upgrading these little things here and there, hopefully that value holds, because it's a bubble, right? We're living in a bubble. That bubble's going to burst at some point, but with the added value that we're adding to the house, hopefully it doesn't burst that much, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's super exciting. Memories are just coming back to me like when I first moved in here, and I could only imagine what that's going to look like once we move back in and everything is up to our standards. Anyway, hope to catch you guys, hope to take you guys along this whole process, right? So we're going to be checking back in as each step unfolds. All right, Brooklyn, it's your turn. Come on, girl. Come on. Sit. Good girl.
Holla.
All right, fam. So we just did the final walkthrough with the painter, went through all the rooms, assigned a color to each individual room, and basically color matched them so that there is no fumbling once the painters get in there. They just know paint, room. And I mean, super simple. Got some instructions from the painter to make their lives easier, to take all the TVs, all the structures off the wall, bring them to the center of the room. It's all good, you know what I'm saying? But it is a pain in the neck. It is Friday night. Just want to kick back and chill instead doing this. Anyways, just didn't realize how much mess my office was in with these little things hanging everywhere. So going to spend that time taking things to the center of the room. Tomorrow they're going to come in to paint. No, come in to tape. They're going to just tape tomorrow. We're going to leave Sunday for Joshua Tree. They're going to come in, do all the extra stuff while we're gone. So hopefully when we get back, everything is freshly painted and we're able to just ease ourselves back in. Anyway, just going to end this video here. Don't want it to run too long. We will update you as the process continues. All right, stay tuned. I'll holla. Peace.